Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be continuing the gift guides, but this one is going to be the gift guides for her. I curated 10 different items for women, either that I want to receive for myself or gifts that I want to give to other people. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Let's get into the video. So the first item in the gifts for her gift guide is a 2019 agenda book. Now this is my 2018 agenda book and I actually put these letters on my initials, and I got this last year as a gift and I'm obsessed with it. Gordon, thank you very much. This is one of those things that you can't go wrong when it comes to Christmas because the new year is around the corner and everyone's getting ready for that whole new year, new me phase. So organizing things into a planner is a really great option. I couldn't find the link to this one, so I linked a different one on my gift guide. I love this, I use it every single day, and it just kind of helps that organized person in your life to keep on track, and if they're not organized, they need it anyway because they need to get organized. The next item on my gift guide is this Fenty Beauty Gloss Balm. This is for like the diva, the makeup lover, the little bit more adventurous person in your life who just wants to sparkle during the Christmas time. And this is the shade Diamond Milk. I am obsessed with this right now. It smells incredible. It smells kind of like candy, like I don't know what candy, but you know when you go into a candy shop and it's like lined up of boxes full of candy that you put into a bag? That's what this store smells like. It literally smells like a candy store. This is a really beautiful, sparkly gloss. Like, do you see it catch the light there? It's stunning. I personally love wearing this on its own, but you can wear it on top of like a red or a darker color or even a nude, and that would look so stunning for the holidays. And the next item on my list is these reading socks by Indigo. These I received as a gift from last year. They are extremely fuzzy inside and it's just a really long sock too, so it goes all the way up your calf, and they are the coziest things ever. I don't tend to wear these around the house because they tend to slide off a little bit, but if I'm like getting cozy with a cup of tea in bed watching some Netflix, then I will pop these on because they're just so extremely cozy. So these are more like if I'm like lounging type of socks. Okay, number 4 is a classic in this household because either Wes or I or my dad always get this gift from my mom every single year because you can't have enough of this gift. This is, oh, there's no label on it, but this is the Fraser Fir Candle. If any of you have a fake tree for Christmas, you need to buy this candle because it smells exactly like Fraser Firs. I can't even tell you, we have this on the table and then we also have a real Fraser Fir tree in the other corner, and it's like the whole house smells incredible and my whole family loves lighting this, so we just continue to get this for my mom. They sell these at Indigo and they sell these on well.ca and a whole bunch of other cool places. Okay, number 5 I actually don't have, but I'll put a picture up right here. This, take note, is the hairdryer I would like for Christmas. Wes. So this is essentially a cool hairdryer. It's white and it's just looks really chic. And my hairdryer started burning my hair. Sometimes it just kind of like goes off and kind of gets really hot. So I need a new one, and I thought this was really chic and really fun. And I mean, you can't go wrong with a hairdryer. Like everyone needs like either a straightener or a curling wand, or I don't know, hair dryers. I haven't got one in a very long time, so that's on my list. And number 6 is the cutest hat from Free People. I'm obsessed with this hat because I got this at Nordstrom, but obviously you can get them at Free People. They have an updated version, like different colors for this year. I will link those. And it's just the cutest little hat. Like, look, I'm so cute. It has this big ass pom-pom on the top, and I got this one for my sister in white last year. What I love about this hat is that it is fleece lined so that it is super cozy on your head, and usually with knit hats the wind just like goes right through it and it's not actually as warm as they look, but with this one it's fleece lined, so it's super cozy on your head, and it's also like the cutest chunky knit hat you could ever find. Okay, so number 7 on my gift guide I don't have with me either, but I have these, which is kind of similar. These, ooh, These are the happy plugs that I showed earlier in my other video. But the ones on this gift guide are the more expensive version. Those are the Bluetooth ones that just are connected by a wire behind your head. I love the look of these. They're very chic and they're very like, I'm going to the gym and I'm gonna go work out and I'm not gonna have a wire getting in my way. Number 8 is also an item that I don't have with me right now because it's on my Christmas list. And this is a phone case from Signet collection. They are a phone case brand out of Montreal. There's something about this case that is just so adorable. It's clear with little silver clouds and gold lightning bolts coming out of it, and it's called like the Dreamy case or something like that. So I don't have it with me, but I mean, maybe I will after Christmas. Number 9 on my gift guides are these adorable little earrings. Unfortunately, I only have one to show you because I lost the other one the first time I wore it, unfortunately. But these are you can't even see them. Oh my gosh, they're so small. I'm not even gonna show you because like there's no point. No, there's no point. These are Dainty Heart earrings by Loomis and Knox, I believe. Oh, I'm so sorry if I'm not saying it right, but I love this brand. They recently came to our conference that I was working on and they were part of the marketplace there, and I fell in love with this brand. I got these Dainty Heart earrings, I got hoop earrings, and just everything from her collection is stunning, and I love everything. Just take a look at her website. She has some really great options out there, like necklaces and earrings and rings. They're just adorable. Oh, and another item that is like a personal fave on her site are the birthstone earrings. She doesn't have all of the crystals, but she has like amethyst and rose quartz, I believe. So check that out as well. Those are like kind of like a raw rock for earrings. They're so adorable. And for number 10, this is the last item on the gift guide for her, is a perfume. Now, let me stop right there because perfumes are very hard to buy for another person unless you know exactly what they want. My recommendation is to check to see what perfume they're using currently right now, and if they're almost out of it, then repurchase that same one. I would not stray from there because that's just too dangerous. Buying a perfume for someone is just too difficult. If you're gonna do it, get a gift receipt because you want them to be able to find something that they do enjoy. But for me, this is a perfume that I bought in the rollerball first because I wanted to make sure that I loved it. I'm almost done the rollerball and I want the full size. This is the Tocca Simone, I think that's what it's called. I literally searched up watermelon perfume on Sephora and this was one of them that came up. I tested it out and I bought it right away, and this has been my go-to. It's a very summery scent, but I don't care. Honestly, I want to smell like this every single day. So I love this one, and if you guys are really into like fruity and floral scents but not like sickly sweet, then try this one. Alright, so now that completes my gift guides for her. Those are all the items that either I would like to receive or that I have received before and I would give to another person. Those are always awesome when you like receive a gift and it sticks in your mind and you're like, this was a legendary gift. Why did I just say legendary? Okay, so that completes my gift guide for her. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video and got some ideas of either what you want on your own Christmas list or what you want to give to other people. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys!